Hello everybody. Today I will show you how to disable call forwarding on iPhone. So the very first fix is using settings. For this, go to settings, scroll down and tap on phone. From here, select call forwarding. Now what you have to do, simply turn on call forwarding. Toggle the switch. It will take some time. Now turn it on. The second method is using dial pad. For this, open dial pad. From here, enter ** 3 times, then hash, then 61, and then hash, and then 2 times star. After enter, press the call button. Status of voice call forwarding. If it's enabled, enter ** hash 002 hash ** and press call. So that's it. These are the two methods which you can try. Thanks for watching. See you in next tutorial.